Alright, so what I'm going to demonstrate today is, so I went to the store, I wanted a grinder, picked up a grinder, now I can sharpen lawnmower blades, grind shit, things like that. Well, after I buy one for $100, which it works pretty nice, cordless. One of the things you kind of notice after you get it is that if you really bear down on it, these little red lights come on and it won't let you do nothing. Or you sometimes it just starts slow. Reference. So when you turn it on, fires up slow, which works fine, but lights just came on red there for a second, which I'm not sure why it does that, but so works nice. Go on eBay, see this one broken, cost $31, free shipping. I'm like, 31 bucks beats 100. See what's wrong with it. So you take it all apart. I guess there's a little bit of a resistor in there, and that controls whether or not you can run it or you overload it. I'm assuming it saves your battery. But so I get all apart. I'm like, whatever. Let's see what happens if you cut it out and just plug it in. So, needless to say, the difference is it no longer has the slow ramp up. Still works about the same. It does. I do notice with my power supply, I have it running on the power supply also. Got the other videos. So when you take the corded one, or when you take it corded, you take the one with the resistor in it, turn it on. Slowly gets up to about 14 and then evens out at 8. So let's take the other one, hook it up. So this one, a little bit of a spike there. Take it from dead stop. 9 volts. Or 9 amps. I'm assuming it's spinning faster. It sounds like it's spinning quite a bit faster. Now the amperage spike, I guess it probably could cause a little bit of a battery problem. But if you don't really care, you got your batteries on the warranty. Then you're good to go. So the other thing I tested is whether or not the tool would continue to run past the dead battery life. And what I learned is that the battery controls that. So this battery, borderline dead. So I was like, oh well, if I cut this out, is it going to ruin all my batteries by taking them dead? So what I found is that's not true. Still shuts off. Same as your drill would. Won't turn on when it's too dead. It should be blinking. But see, make sure we still take a charge. I should make this video and it'll be ruined. and charge them. So I'm not going to tell you how to do that. I guess I did. I'm not going to show you. But if you got one of these grinders, maybe you bought it used or broken, and you don't really care, you can hot rod it, and hopefully it don't blow up. Now, I don't guarantee that it won't ruin your batteries, but yeah, don't listen to me on that one. But either way, now I got two grinders. One I paid a god awful lot for. The other one I paid a third that.